Dan G. Fox here, and hope you're having a foxtastic day. I know I am. I wanted to thank you for stopping by my channel today. I appreciate that. If this is your first time here, trust me, you've been missing out on a lot of good stuff that I put out. So you don't want to do that anymore. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button right below. You know where it is. Go ahead and hammer it. Yeah, that way you'll be subscribed to my channel. And even better, click on the bell notification. That way you'll get notified every time I put out some good old goodies in helping you to make money online. So I know you're watching this video. You clicked on this video for one of two reasons. One is that you're interested in AI Viral Downline, or two, you're interested in making money online, not quite sure how you want to do that. Well, I'm here to tell you in this video that you can do both, all right? You can use AI Viral Downline as a standalone business to promote the product itself and make money with your fast start money and through the matrix, or you can use it to promote any business that you're a part of, all right? And let AI do the promoting for you, let AI do the talking for you, let AI reach out to prospects for you. Or, like me, you can do both. I'm using AI Viral Downline, the products, to promote my primary business, as well as promoting AI Viral Downline because it's a good product and you can make money with it. I mean, some really good money. It's got a good compensation plan. So people say, can you really use the tool for 7 days for free? Yeah, you can. You have access to everything that a paid member has for 7 days. The only thing you don't have access to is withdrawing commission. So in other words, you could promote this tool during your 7 days and earn the commission for it. But if you don't upgrade within 7 days, then you lose your commissions. You can't withdraw it. So that's the only thing you can't do is withdraw your money. Otherwise, you can fully test out the system and see how you can make money with it as a standalone or promoting your own business. So I wanted to show you, this is the proof is in the pudding. I wanted to show you the back office, even as a free member. So this is an account that I have just for demonstration. Okay, and so this is a free member account. Somewhere it's going to say there. I don't see it, but you'll see in a minute. Well, you'll see it says upgrade, so you know it's not upgraded yet. But this is a free account. So no active members. I've not promoted this account. I'm just using it for demonstration purposes. Okay, so this is the dashboard. As you can see here, you have your referral links. You got 2 capture pages and you got a sales page link. I always recommend the capture page anyway. This first one here is the one where they go to, and Emily, the AI, talks to them and helps them to join. Okay. So anyway, this is your dashboard. You also get a message from your sponsor, whoever sponsored you. There's a little bio about them or a little information about them. There's a welcome video from your sponsor there. And this is a YouTube video. All right. Or actually, I'm sorry. Well, they're both the same. Okay. I got to change that up. But anyway, and you have 2 opportunities that you can put in here and promote your own business from within. Okay, so all that's available to you, even as a free member. You see your sponsored opportunities. This is opportunity 1, opportunity 2. I have both of them in there, which I need to change out. Okay, so that's your 2 opportunities. Then there is a video explaining the program. All right. If you have gotten any leads or signups, they're going to be right here. All right. So again, this is just the free account. All right. And your account, if you missed your welcome email somehow, the welcome email is going to be there. Your profile information that you can fill all this stuff out that I just showed you in the profile, program stats for you personally. And of course, you want to cancel. You can see your matrix. If you do start promoting this even as a free member, you can see what your matrix looks like. Okay, but of course, there's no one here. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. This free account has gotten a spillover already. Wow. Okay, maybe I need to upgrade this free account because this is me. So I didn't realize it. Yeah, it's got spillover already, so that's cool. And this is a free account. So if this was you and you had a free account, and you look down here and you see you have people spilling over, you want to go ahead and upgrade so you get the benefit of that, right? Okay. So anyway, that's the matrix. You got the membership part here. That actually is going to tell you to upgrade here, okay? Because you're free right now. And then the product. And right now, the only product is the posting tool. We talked about the posting tool. This posting tool will post to 8 different social media accounts 4 times a day. All right, that's pretty cool. 8 different social media accounts 4 times a day. And you can promote any program you want. You can promote the AI Viral Downline if you want to, or you can promote, in my case, I'm promoting Save Club. I'm promoting Live Good with that as well. Okay. This is something new, the co-op advertising. You can get co-op advertising for $100 for 30 days. I've not tried it because it just came in today. All right, I just saw this earlier. Affiliate marketing. It has a whole list of places you can advertise, both free and paid. It has text ads already pre-made. If you're promoting AI Viral Downline, email swipes management, or for if you're going to promote this program itself. So what's the product? The product is the posting tool. All right, it's the posting tool. People want ways to make it easier to find leads and sales. Okay, and the key to online marketing is the more eyeballs you can get on your offer, the more opportunity you have somebody that wants to join. So by you setting up your posting tool with your voice, the AI is going to tailor it in a way that will attract the right people to you. That's why this tool is so powerful. Okay, this will be a list of your team, this will be your commissions if you earn any commissions, and the leaderboard, and of course support. So this is everything that a paid member has access to. Everything. The only thing that again, you would not have access to if your wallet says you have no payout method configured. Well, I'm not going to configure it, but nonetheless, you couldn't collect it because you're not a paid member yet. All right. So there you go. 7 days you can use this. Okay, 7 days you can use it to its fullest extent. You can see how things work. You saw how this person, this free account has already gotten spillover, and you can see how well the posting tool works to build your business or build this business, right? So yes, you get everything in the free trial that a paid member wants. So why not try it out? It's free. You don't even require a credit card to do the free. Okay, you just go in there and you can use it for 7 days and then decide to upgrade. Just don't make the mistake of not upgrading before the 7 days. All right, because if you do, excuse me, excuse me, if you don't upgrade, you lose your position in the matrix and any commissions that you would have earned. All right, so let's go ahead and take the free trial. I've got a link down there in the description. Go ahead and click on it, and let's get you started, and so you can see how powerful this AI tool is. So that's it, my friends. Hopefully you got something out of this video today. If you did, I would appreciate if you click on the like button. That helps me out. It helps my algorithms. I take the time to help put things out, and when you help my algorithms, more people can be helped through what I put out. So also comment. I like comments. I do respond to comments, good, bad, or indifferent. I welcome them. I don't run from them. Okay, so please comment. And as I mentioned earlier, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome aboard. We're glad to have you here with us. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button, right? That way you're subscribed to my channel, and click on the bell so you get notified. So you take care for now. I'll see you in the next video, and you have a foxtastic day.